Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing a very important topic, that is climate. I am just giving you a quick revision. There are different elements of climate and one of these is rainfall. It includes temperature, rainfall, air pressure. So we are discussing here rainfall in Pakistan. There are different sources of rainfall in Pakistan and we will going to discuss how it hits Pakistan, from where does it enter Pakistan, and how it affects Pakistan. The number one is monsoon rainfall. It enters Pakistan in the month of July, August and September. Here is the map of Pakistan. I will show you from where it enters Pakistan. There is a low pressure form in Bay of Bengal and the winds blow from Bay of Bengal towards Pakistan and the winds move across the India and enters Pakistan from the eastern side. So the areas which are hit effectively are the northern Pakistan and the northern Punjab. So most of the rainfall occurs in Pakistan it comes to Pakistan in northern parts of Pakistan and in the northern Punjab. Most of the rainfall occurs here in the months of July, August and September because there is a low pressure form in this area and the winds always move from high pressure to low pressure area. So the winds are moving from Bay of Bengal towards Pakistan because there is a high pressure form in the Bay of Bengal. You can just imagine over here the Bay of Bengal is here and the winds are moving across India and they enter Pakistan. So the major monsoon is received in northern Pakistan and the northern Punjab. Northern areas of Pakistan, this part of Pakistan receives the main part of monsoon and northern Punjab. So most of the rainfall occurs here, although it is the biggest source of rainfall in Pakistan, but Pakistan receives the tail end of monsoon winds in this part. So I have just written here, enters from which side? Eastern side of Pakistan, that is from India, and hits which areas? Northern areas and northern Punjab. I hope it is clear to everyone. Number two, the second biggest source of rainfall in Pakistan is Western Depression. Western Depression is formed in Mediterranean Sea. Western Depression is formed in Mediterranean Sea. There is a high pressure form in Mediterranean Sea and the winds blow from high pressure to low pressure area and they move across the Mediterranean Sea and enters Pakistan from the northwestern and western side. That is from Afghanistan. The sea enters from which side? From western side, that is Afghanistan and Iran. It hits Pakistan, although they are also long term winds, but they bring little rainfall to Pakistan and a very less rainfall occurs in Punjab. I should make it clear that Quetta is not in the track of monsoon winds. Balochistan doesn't receive monsoon winds. So a little rainfall occurs in this part of Pakistan from the Western Depression. So Western Depression brings little rainfall. If we just look at the graphs, we will be able to find out that the little rainfall is received through the Western Depression in Peshawar, Quetta, all the areas where we are bordering with Afghanistan and bordering with Iran. A little rainfall sometimes is received in Karachi as well from the Western Depression. Number three source of rainfall is convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall it doesn't come from anywhere. It occurs in Pakistan in October, November, April, May or June. Automatically we can find out the rainfall which occurs in these months is the convectional rainfall. It doesn't come from anywhere. It happens like this that when the land masses are heated up, means the area which is heated up, the hot air rises. When the areas are heated up, the hot air rises, and when it reaches to certain height, it condenses to form clouds. And this is how, when it condenses to form clouds, heavy rainfall occurs in a small area for a short duration. Remember this, heavy rainfall occurs in a small area for a short duration with thunder and lightning. Convectional rainfall usually comes with thunder and lightning. It usually happens in northern Punjab and in other parts of Pakistan as well, but most of the time it comes to northern Punjab, right? And Western depression comes during the months of December to March. December, January, February, March, and monsoon rainfall occurs in July, August and September, right? And northern Punjab is this area, right? I hope you all are understanding that the sources of rainfall, most important is, the biggest source of rainfall in Pakistan is the monsoon rainfall, second source is Western depression, and the third one is convectional rainfall. In case of relief rainfall, it also doesn't come from anywhere. It happens like this, right? For example, if there is a mountain and there is a lake adjacent to it, the lake is just adjacent to it, what happens when the water in the lakes becomes hot, it rises, the hot air rises, and when it reaches to certain height, it condenses to form clouds. And sometimes it happens like this, that the rainfall occurs only on one side of the mountains, and this is called leeward side. And the other side of the mountains, because of the height, the clouds doesn't have this much strength that they can reach on the other side of the mountain. This is called rain shadow area. What is a rain shadow area? Means when the rainfall doesn't reach on the other side of the mountains, and rainfall which occurs on one side of the mountain is called leeward side. It happens in the case of relief rainfall. For example, in Murree and Karakoram mountains, because of the height of the mountains, sometimes the rainfall doesn't reaches on the other side of the mountains, right? And this obviously this can only occur in the mountainous areas, hilly areas like Murree, Kagan, Naran, or in the Karakoram mountains or Hindu Kush mountains. As far as the fifth source of rainfall in Pakistan is tropical cyclones, and it should be clear that the cyclones can only occur in the coastal areas of Pakistan when the temperature reaches to 27 degrees centigrade in the sea. Seawater becomes very hot, then hot air rises, right? For example, like this, the hot air rises and it swells, and it goes to the nearby coastal areas and brings heavy rainfall in that area. Obviously, the tropical cyclones can hit only the coastal areas of Pakistan, which includes Sindh coast or the Balochistan coast. It cannot come in the Punjab or upper parts of Sindh or KPK. It can only be found in the tropical cyclones can only be found in Sindh coast or in the Balochistan coast. I hope this concept is clear to everyone and you all will be able to solve the past papers. Go through the graphs which are given in your book. Your concepts will be clear and you will be able to solve the past papers. Thank you.